Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Chief of Army Staff and Chief of Defence Forces, Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir, Federal Ministers, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great privilege and an honor to be here. And the facility we have just visited is awe-inspiring. I am absolutely thrilled to see this facility, which has been built in a record period of time, with a sense of great conviction. And I think the best minds around Pakistan, both in our military realm and civilian realm, have done a remarkable job. What Iqbal said about how societies are built. And he said, जहान ताज़ा की अफकार ताज़ा से है नमूद के संग व खिश से होते नहीं जहाँ पैदा. It's about vision, it's about this commitment which has been demonstrated under the leadership of Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir and great hands. So ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are standing today, and I have no doubt in my mind that if we follow this model, there is no reason, and I am absolutely convinced more than ever before, that not only we'll be able to compensate for the losses of the past, but inshallah we'll create a new, very dynamic, forward-looking Pakistan, which is the need of the hour. It is difficult but not impossible. Like what we achieved during Mark-e-Haq. This was, I think, the finest moment in Pakistan's history. And this goes to explain in volumes that if there's a will, there is a way. Of course, you come across challenges, difficulties, but then if you have the will to negotiate and you have the ardent hope and the energy to convert that into a great opportunity, then Mark-e-Haq, they come up on the horizon. Then serious work converts such great projects, and these are the future of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to comment and deeply appreciate the leadership of Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir, great partners like ZTE and Minister IT and Secretary IT for their commendable support. And I think this project, its capacity is 0.5 megawatts. They are going to replicate it at Karachi and Lahore. And I think it's high time that we gather all state organs immediately and tell them to align with this facility. I think we should do it as of yesterday. Thank you very much for this wonderful gift to the people of Pakistan, which offers impregnable security and which gives us this hope and encouragement that everything is doable provided we put our act together. I'd like to conclude my speech again with Iqbal's poetic message. फर्द कायम रब्ते मिल्लत से है तन्हा कुछ नहीं. फर्द कायम रब्ते मिल्लत से है तन्हा कुछ नहीं. मौज है दरिया में बैरून दरिया कुछ नहीं. Thank you very much. God bless you. Pakistan Zindabad.
स्काई 47 डाटा सेंटर का इफ्तिताह कर दिया गया है। इस इफ्तिताही तकरीब से वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि जदीद तरीन डाटा सेंटर मुतासिर कुन और काबिल तहसीन है। अजीम मनसूबों को देख कर बेहद खुशी हुई है। मनसूबा इंतहाई मुख्तसर मुद्दत में गैर मामूली अज़्म, पुख्ता यकीन, आला महारत से मुकम्मल किया गया। फील्ड मार्शल की बसीरत, अफरोज़ क़यादत, شراکت دار ZT خراج تحسین پیش کرتا ہوں. مارکہ حق میں کامیابی ملک کی تاریخ کا عظیم ترین لمحہ تھا. انہوں نے مزید کہا کہ مشکلات اور چیلنجز کا حوصلے سے مقابلہ کریں تو مارکہ حق جیسے تاریخی کارنامے جنم لیتے ہیں. مسلسل محنت ایسے عظیم منصوبوں کو حقیقت کا روپ دیتی ہیں. اسکائی 47 جیسے منصوبے پاکستان کے مستقبل کی ضمانت ہیں. تو اسکائی 47 ڈیٹا سینٹر جو پاکستان کا اب تک کا سب سے بڑا ڈیٹا سینٹر ہے، اس کا افتتاح کر دیا گیا ہے. اس سے پہلے وزیر IT شیزہ فاطمہ کی جانب سے بھی اظہار خیال کیا گیا تھا.